get out of the sun. Lord Jesus. Hi guys, I am at Walmart right now. I see our local drug dealer isn't here today. I am here to get some ingredients to make a Mexican fiesta for dinner. I'm gonna do shrimp fajitas because shrimp are super low in fat. And because the shrimp are low in fat, we can have chips with the salsa. Eric and I started counting our macros. We've just been a lot more accountable about what's going in our bodies because honestly, I'm all about food freedom and I'll probably get back into that stage eventually, but we were a little too free and it's showing. So anyways, back to tonight. It's gonna be a Mexican fiesta. I'm really excited. We've been eating really healthy lately and I just need something that feels like a splurge. So tortilla chips with the fire roasted salsa. The tortilla chips will be a good amount of fat, but it's gonna be fine because we're having shrimp instead of steak for the fajitas. And then I'm gonna do like a cucumber and avocado salad with like a lime and cumin dressing. Oh, it's gonna be so good. It's gonna be so good that I'm gonna have like 5 chins. Okay, let's go get the stuff. Almost forgot the most important thing. I got all of my items. I'm so excited. The homemade salsa is gonna be so good. I can't wait. If you want the recipe, it's actually Trisha Yearwood's recipe from Food Network. Just look up Trisha Yearwood roasted salsa. I spoke too soon. The drug dealer is here today. I was surprised that he was gonna miss a day. I need to come up with a name for him. Something that sounds kind of evil, you know? I think Lucifer is a little bit harsh. I'm heating up a pan and then I'm gonna spray it with some non-stick oil. I'm gonna cut my peppers. I have an Anaheim and a jalapeno. I'm gonna cut those in half and then I'm gonna cut the onion probably in quarters. And I'm gonna cut these in half as well and then you grill them on high and let them get nice and charred. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Have you ever seen anything so pretty in your life? I added a little red bell pepper, so that's what the red flakes are, and I added some cayenne pepper to make it spicy. At the very end, you add the juice of a lime and some garlic cloves and cilantro. Girl! Oh! So good. I'm now working on cutting up all my bell peppers and I'm going to cut up some onion as well and add that to here and get my fajita veggies going. Since shrimp cooks so quick, I'm going to do the veggies for the fajitas separate. This is my super pretty shrimp and it's just marinating in some Mexican spices and some lime juice and I'll cook that up at the very last minute. I'm all finished and we are about ready to eat. These are the fajita veggies. I like when they're nice and soft and not super hard and crunchy still. This is our cute little shrimpies. I didn't add any fat or oil to the marinade, and so the spices did get stuck on the bottom of the pan, but that's fine because I really wanted to save our fat for chips and salsa. And this beautiful avocado salad. It's avocado and cucumber and cilantro and lime juice and salt and pepper. I'm so excited. This is the finished product. I have the fajita veggies with some shrimp on top and the cucumber avocado salad and my beautiful chips, which I've missed so much with this salsa. It's so good. We have some margaritas. Hello. As you guys can see, that was a pretty easy meal, and it's not about cutting out things that you love, it's about making compromises. Since we really wanted chips and salsa, I just cut the fat out of other areas and we still had a nice little fiesta. How was it?
Delicious.
It was delicious.